What's up, guys? Today is Saturday. We're gonna go ahead and load up 240. We're gonna put it in the trailer so we can take it to Viking Fab on Monday. We're gonna drop it off to Mr. Matt, let him start doing his magic on getting the new cage, getting the 4-link put in so he can measure, so I can get the new housing from Tim on order, so I can get that bad boy coming, and then we'll get axles measured. I'll order the Moser third member and stuff like that from them. But yeah, hang tight. We're gonna get the car loaded and then probably take it to the house. We'll probably just leave it in the trailer. We're supposed to get some weather, so just want to make sure the car is in the trailer before it snows. I think it's supposed to snow tomorrow or maybe Monday. I'm not too sure yet, but I'd rather get the car in. So I think it'd be a bitch to push in the snow. So I'm gonna go ahead, get that bad boy in there. There's my truck right there. Call it the Unicorn. It's the tow truck for now. We have other plans, but you guys will have to wait and see on those ones. Alrighty, guys. We got the trailer hooked up. We're ready to put this car in there, man. There's Ed, my brother. You guys will see a video here coming up pretty soon on his 240. Sitting back there. Do a full walk around on it. He's gonna let you know what I've done to it. But yeah, right now we're gonna load the 240 into the trailer, and I'll see you guys here in a second. Alrighty, guys, car is loaded up. Very excited, man. Can't believe it's got to this point already. Came fast, but it is going to Matt's at Viking Fab. Shout out to him again. You guys are gonna be seeing him a lot. Look, there's Anthony with his 240. You guys will see about this car here pretty soon too, along with my brother's 240. We all have 240s. They're all 2J cars. We're gonna do a video with his. We're gonna do a video with my brother's, and then you guys are gonna see us taking this car to Matt. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of his shop. He's in a collab with Ultimate Performance. You guys are gonna see a lot of cool cars over there. But yeah, man, just hang tight. This bad boy is going to be headed to the fab shop. Get cut up, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, while we're headed to the shop, my car is already there. I know you guys basically just seen me load it, but I didn't film us dropping it off over there. Here's Ed. Got Ed with me. We just got into Albuquerque. We are going to Viking Fab. Eddie's car's over there. We're narrowing the 9-inch rear end that's in it. We'll show you guys a little bit of what's going on with that one. Show you guys my car. We'll kind of talk about the plan that's going to happen with mine, and you guys will get to meet Matt, so just hang tight. Alrighty, guys, we're at Matt's shop. We are working on Eddie's car right now. We got some new wheels with a different offset. What we had to end up doing is narrowing the rear end, which is over there right now. Take you over there and show you a little bit of what we're doing. Eddie's car. There's Eddie. There's my car is finally here. There's Matt. He's running on some stuff. Definitely narrowed it from right here. Came in a little bit more than 3 inches in on the axle. We'll get it back in, and I'll show you guys how it looks in there with those new wheels, man. Oh, it looks great, dude. I'm gonna put some pictures of the old wheels on how it looked, and then the new ones. I'll get a video of that. The rear end is shortened The new coilover mounts are on both sides. Did a really good job. I'm just waiting on the subframe part from IDS that bolts into the bottom of the car. We had to move the anti-roll bar, I think like 3/8 of an inch forward, I guess towards the back of the car, to get that to kind of clear. It was hitting the body pretty good and it wasn't like freely going up and down, so we just got to do that. We'll get that bolted back in. We will get the 9-inch housing back in. Matt already cut the 40 spline axles. There's a third member right there. But once we can get the housing back in, we'll get the axles back in. We do need a little bit more of spline engagement, so we're gonna send the axles back to Mosier so they can respline them, and I think they're gonna cut a little bit back off of them. So we won't be rolling the car and the trailer with the third member. We're just gonna tighten the ends down really good. It should be fine because it's just gonna get put into the trailer. We'll get Eddie's new wheels on. There's Eddie back there. He's a happy camper. Get the tires on. Once we get all that, I will show you guys how the car is gonna look with the new offset wheels. It's gonna look sick. Got the rear end back in. Everything shortened. These are the plates that they welded for the anti-roll bar. Those are the new wheels. Came out sick. There's Matt. Josh. Thanks, guys. Came out bad. Car is loaded in the trailer. Thanks so much to Matt, dude. You tore it up. It was so fun watching you work. I wish I videotaped a little more. I'm getting better at this, I promise. But we are headed back to Grant's. Eddie's car looks amazing.
Looks awesome.
I think he's very happy with it. I'm glad we sent it with the 3-inch back spacing. But yeah, that's gonna end this video off, guys. Thanks for watching.